Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Springdale in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home that is wood framed. It is offered at $285,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Springdale in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home with a 1.5 car garage. It is offered at $285,000. This is an Austin model home. This home has a 1.5 car garage. The roof was replaced in the year 2019. The HVAC replaced in 2011. The hot water heater is original. This home is located within short distance to Mulberry Grove Shopping Plaza. The front of this home does face northeast. The back of the home faces southwest. As I turn to my right, that is facing north. And as I turn to my left, that is facing south. The first thing I notice as I walk up to this home is a very deep setback. The concrete driveway is in very good condition. This home is very clean. It's a 1.5 car garage wood framed home. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agents, Debbie and Lee Schoonover. That's their contact information. Or the showing agent today is Lorna Raffeo. I will include her information in the description of the video, as well as the listing agents. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice the concrete walkway is in very good condition. It has a upgraded storm door as well. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area. Hi Lorna, can you please tell us a little bit about this home?
Hi Tim, sure. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bath Austin model located in the village of Springdale. It has lovely laminate flooring, a beautiful Florida room with built-in shelving, a screened patio outside, and crown molding. So please come take a tour.
Okay, thank you Lorna. I will take my subscribers on a tour and describe what I see. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful laminate floor. This home is neutrally painted as well. It does have crown molding. It is acoustic textured ceilings as well. Off to the right of the foyer area, you do see a guest area. You will find 1 bedroom and a bathroom on this side of the home. This is a guest bedroom located in the front of the home. It does have carpeting, acoustic texture, very neutral paint in this room as well. This room does have a closet with bifold doors as well. I will show you the inside of that closet. There you have it. This seems to be an extra deep closet as well. Wire rack shelf in that closet. This home is very clean. This is your guest bathroom. That does have vinyl floors, Formica countertops, wood cabinets, 1 sink. Crown molding is continuing. This also has a 1-piece tub and shower module as well. Very good condition. That is your commode space right there as well. Even has a little seating area. This is your linen closet for your bathroom. Linen closet, wire rack shelves, very wide linen closet as well. Off to the back of the home, you do see a primary bedroom and a Florida room. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Laminate wood floors in that primary bedroom, acoustic textured ceilings as well. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of the dimensions of these rooms. This is the primary bathroom. Laminate floors are continuing. One sink, Formica countertops, wood cabinets. Does have a closet off to the right side. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Bifold doors, it is a walk-in closet. Laminate floors are continuing. Neutral paint. Wire shelves. Very large walk-in closet. Here's your shower and commode space. It has vinyl floors. Frameless glass sliding door on that shower. That is a 48-inch shower that is made of plastic or fiberglass. Very good condition. It is a one-piece shower module as well. This is a linen closet that's in the commode room, shower room area. Bifold doors on that linen closet. Wire shelves as well. This home is list price for $285,000. Next, I will walk into that Florida room. This Florida room is awesome. Florida room is 20 feet by 12 feet. Look at the wall of shelving in this Florida room. Crown molding, lots of windows. This is a temperature controlled Florida room. You can see the HVAC duct in the ceiling right there. This is awesome. Even has a pass-through into the kitchen right there. Let's go out and take a look at this patio area as well. Here's your patio. Concrete floors. There is your bird cage. That is very, very nice. This is your backyard as well. Let's take a walk over, show you what your backyard looks like. That is the back of your home right there, friends. You do have privacy landscaping. That is your side yard right there. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let's walk back into that home. I'll show you the kitchen. And I'll show you the garage as well. After I show you the kitchen, here I am going back into the kitchen area. Your kitchen does have laminate floors, Formica countertops, very neutral. 2-bowl sink, chrome fixture on that sink as well, recessed lighting, electric stove as well. I will spin around and I'll show you that island. There is the island. There's the rest of your space right there. Let's take a look and see what the garage is. A 1.5 car garage, laundry, sink in that garage. I noticed that the exterior doors seem to be replaced and have been upgraded. There's your mechanicals right there, friends. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here we are. There's your pass-through into your Florida room. Very nice, very clean home. I will walk back out into that street and show you the rest of that street and give you one last panoramic view of this home. That is your street right there. Very quiet. Village of Springdale. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Your listing agents or your showing agent, your listing agents today are Debbie and Lee. Schoonover, right there's their contact. Your showing agent today is Lorna Raffeo. I will include their contact information in the description of the video. There you have it, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Austin model home located in the village of Springdale, offered at $285,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Springdale in the Villages, Florida. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home is offered at $285,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. This home's located at 17638 Southeast 93rd Butler Court. List price $285,000. Low bond. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Austin home in the village of Springdale. Feel free to pause the specification sheet. There are your room dimensions.